This is one of the core competencies of venture capitalists. We need to be able to first get to know as many founders as possible in an industry where we want to make an investment, and then we need to be able to spot the ones that have the highest return potential. So far, it's very much a core competency. I would always argue it's easier to spot industries that are generally interesting than it is to find the best founders in a respective industry. Now, our approach, is to find people that bring two things to the table amongst, a general intelligence, a willingness to work hard. And these two things are a passion for the topic, and the second one is a deep knowledge and some edge in the industry that they've chosen to disrupt. When these two criteria are fulfilled, we observe that the returns that we can achieve as a venture capital fund and the probability of the company succeeding are the highest. The exit environment in Southeast Asia has been a challenging one in the last years. There are no large capital markets that are welcoming to companies, and there were few international acquirers that have had a focus on the Southeast Asian markets. Over the last 12 months, we've seen a heavy increase in Chinese companies and also Japanese companies eyeing the Southeast Asian market. That is, on the M&A side. On the IPO front, we've seen that the ASX has continued to be a very welcoming environment for Southeast Asian companies that are active in fields that are known to the Australian investors, and if possible already have an Australian peer listed on the stock market.